Hi, this is Anne Maria, PYP HRT of Grade 5 of Cochin International School. The culmination point of our PYP journey, and my Grade 5 children are all set for their PYP exhibition. It's been a very intense, exciting, enthusiastic journey for them and for me. It's been a roller coaster ride, but there seems to be a lot of buzz, a lot of excitement, satisfaction. I can see confidence levels rising. There are emotions, mixed emotions. I've had children and me myself being, on the verge of tears, of excitement, happiness, sometimes sadness. It's mixed emotions happening, but it's very nice to see the journey, unfolding, how children have started, how they started the journey from choosing their topic to deciding on what they want to do, coming up with the central idea, the lines of inquiry, trying to find areas that they could research. And the most important thing that I have seen is them bonding with their mentors, with whom probably they've not even talked till date. So it's a beautiful journey to see that collaboration between children, along with their mentors, the sense of achievement that they have after the submission of each component, changing, revising, doing all the corrections, and finally that beautiful smile on their faces when they do their work, and when they get that go, yes, you've done it, and the checklist is ticked. It's beautiful to see that satisfaction in them and the satisfaction that it gives me, that at the end of the day, yes, they've done it, because there's a trust as a teacher that you put in them, and when they live up to that standard and to that expectation, the happiness that it brings to you and the smiles that it brings on them when they finally got it done is just amazing and commendable. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the mentors for that wonderful support that they've given these children, keeping them, level-headed and telling them exactly what has to be done, guiding them throughout, showing them their flaws and their strengths, and making them walk through this journey beautifully.